Hello and welcome to the Tech Time Warp. Our mission is simple, to measure the painful scale of the past against the luxury of the present. Today, our Tech Time Traveler asks, is AI photo editing the future of photography or a digital lie? Remember the terror of a bad photo? Well, what if you could unbad it with magic? Just a moment ago, we debated disposable cameras versus iPhones. Remember the frustration of a bad shot? Now imagine spending hours in Photoshop. You're carefully cloning out a photobomber, painstakingly color-correcting a sunset, or manually removing a stray hair. That was the real craft. It took skill, patience, and often a hefty dose of despair when you messed up a layer. But today, our traveler observes a new breed of magic, AI photo editing. Apps like Photoshop's generative fill, Lightroom's AI denoise, or Luminar's sky replacement. Want to remove an entire person? Erase a power line? Change a frown to a smile? It's done in seconds. The AI doesn't just edit, it invents pixels. It dreams up entire new backgrounds. This isn't retouching, it's reality bending. This isn't just about making a photo look good, it's about what good even means anymore. Is it still your photo if the AI invented half of it? When a model's face is perfected or a news photo is enhanced, are we seeing reality or a digital lie? Our traveler wonders, are we editing reality or simply becoming better liars with prettier pictures? The line between art and deception has never been blurrier. So what's your take on AI photo editing? Brilliant future or dangerous digital lie? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Time Warp for more mind-bending tech discussions with our Tech Time Traveler.